What I have for you today is this rolling kitchen island, which comes with a white finish and a beige top. This is all made out of boards that you assemble yourself. It went together in about 30 minutes for me. This is equipped with rollers on the bottom, so you can roll this around your kitchen location as needed. If you're preparing food or if you want to stage some tableware or some dishes, then you can take this, put it near your dishwasher as you need or right where you're preparing food. Some of the features on it, it has a drawer here that slides out. It's got really nice rollers, moves in and out. And it's got two doors in the front here with a shelf inside, and that shelf can be lifted up or down where there's 3 different adjustments for that. And it can be completely removed if that's needed as well. Overall, the device is really sturdy. You can tell by the cutting board here, this is really thick and it's quite heavy. When I was putting it all together, this is probably the heaviest piece of wood besides the base on the island itself. On this side here, you've also got a tray where you can store other items here with a retaining rod here so things don't fall off. And everything's very easy to see and easy to get access to with this particular rolling kitchen island. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this piece of it's kitchen furniture. And I hope this information was helpful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.